So we have our Nolans construction ready ore to oxide project. We've got our debt secured, we've done the engineering. The last remaining piece is securing the equity and we will move into construction. This project, phase 1, will produce 4,400 tonnes of neodymium and praseodymium, and that supports about 4 million electric vehicles. The timing here is quite fortuitous. Demand is expected to double over the next 10 years. Nearly 90% of the supply today is coming from China, and we can help to diversify that supply chain. We've made significant progress on our last remaining step, which is securing equity. We've got a clear line of sight to a fully funded solution, and we expect to make announcements around that over the coming months. As soon as we've secured that equity, we will be moving into construction, and it's about a 3-year period before we start to ramp up the project. Yeah, look, there's two aspects to the current market environment. So the world is really waking up to how critical rare earths are. You cannot make electronics, electric vehicles, wind turbines, robots, military equipment without rare earths, and nearly 90% of that supply is controlled by China. So this is becoming across the globe just how critical this is, and we are the first cab off the rank. So we're the most construction-ready project with a capability to bypass China. So the timing for our project could not be better. There's obviously a concern in the market about how these tariffs are going to play out, but I think over coming months that anxiety will reduce, and it's going to help us raise the funds so that we can move into construction. Our first priority is to get the funding so we can move into construction. Second priority is to build this project and ramp it up. But we also want to then get on to phase 2. And phase 2 will see us more than doubling our production of phase 1 and also becoming a processing hub, which will allow other rare earths projects in Australia to get up.